When I tell people that I'm a YouTuber, they often don't believe me. Some of them even say I have the face for radio, whatever that means. But when I tell them that I actually do make money on YouTube, they ask how it works, and then we get into a different discussion. In this video, I'm going to talk about sponsorships. I'm going to lay out some of the major types of sponsors and some tips for finding the perfect sponsor. Speaking of sponsorships, last summer, Coldest Water sponsored some videos on my channel, and I really love their products. I always have a water bottle nearby, and when my daughter had some knee problems, we got the Coldest Water ice packs for her. When they reached out to me again, I was thrilled to work with them for Blackout November. They have some amazing products for the month of November. Everything's 20% off, and selected items drop down to 50% off. I'll have some details in the video description, so definitely check that out. Now keep in mind what I just did, talking about a sponsor. We're going to talk about different types of sponsors, and I want you to try and figure out which type of sponsorship I have with Coldest Water after we talk about the different sponsorship types. The easiest type of sponsorship to secure is royalty on sales. Basically, the company gives you a personalized link. When people buy a product using that link, you get a percentage. This is a really popular kind of sponsorships for companies to offer because they only need to pay you when you send business to them. You can set this up yourself on many sites, including Amazon, through affiliate programs. So a couple of tips for this affiliate type of sponsorship. You can basically set up as many of them as you want, but be cautious because if you're constantly trying to sell random products to your viewers, they'll know that you really don't believe in the products and they will fall short. The next kind of sponsorship, which is the first kind I got on my channel, is if a company sends a free product to you. Alright, they send you the free product and they ask you to unbox it, or to review it, or to feature it, or to mention it in some kind of way. If the product is not the focus of your video, they might have stipulations on how much screen time the product gets. Like that. Quick tip, it's easiest to get free products when your channel has a very specific genre, or you have a really successful video in a specific genre. For example, my first free product was a 3D chess puzzle because I had a video of solving a different type of 3D puzzle. And that video was getting lots of views at the time, and so I got some chess puzzle pieces. The third kind of sponsorship I call a free product plus. This is similar to the first two types combined together. So you'll get a payment in addition to a product. The payment can be a set fee, or a royalty on sales, or a combination of both. In my experience, companies are also willing to give you a promotional code for a discount to your viewers, which is really nice, a nice thing for you to be able to share with the people that are following you. And when the people use that code, it gives them some kind of discount, like a percentage discount. The final kind of sponsorship is just a fee for mentioning a product. You often see these on larger channels that have a wider viewership. The product may or may not have anything to do with the video itself, but they provide the creator with the funds to make the video, so the creator's happy and also the company is happy for the wide exposure that they get. I've also seen these on smaller channels that have a very specific niche. Now, let's talk about some things I've learned while working with different companies and approaching companies about sponsorship deals. Number one, always make your videos the best that they can be. This will attract companies to your channel and make them want to put their product in your hand. Number two, be genuine. When companies reach out to you, it's difficult to say no at first, but stay true to your channel, and that's more important than getting a single sponsorship. One time I was buying a pillow online, so of course the internet algorithm targeted a pillow company to me and asked me to review some pillows. Because I was actually wanting some new pillows, I said yes. My YouTube channel is not a place to sell pillows, and it's not a place for people who are watching to be buying pillows. So I feel quite certain that the company didn't benefit by me mentioning pillows on my educational YouTube channel. The product just wasn't a good fit. Number 3, give them more than they ask for and they tend to come back again. So posting your video on other social media sites or just posting a picture in addition to the video are some ways that I've tried to go above and beyond the contractual obligation that I have. Again, I'm picking products I believe in, so I'm excited about them and I can share that with other people. I like to think of it more as a relationship building, and I want to have both sides feel that it's a good fit. If I believe in the product, I also want the company to believe in me and my ability to promote it. Number 4, follow up. Several years ago, I was posting almost entirely puzzle videos on 2 different channels. A company reached out to me and we made a deal where they gave me 10 puzzles, kind of like these ones, and promotional codes for the viewers. I had an affiliate link set up and I was sending traffic to their site. I sent them an email after making these first 10 videos, letting them know that there were, I thought their puzzles were amazing and that they had some more awesome puzzles on their site, and I would love to feature those other puzzles. They asked which ones, and I got 10 more. And then I got 10 more after that. Over the next year, almost all my puzzles came from that company. I got dozens and dozens of them. My viewers went to their site and ordered enough times that the company was happy to keep sending me puzzles, and I kept getting puzzles and getting small percentages off of those sales. So I was happy working with them. They were happy with the relationship that we had. And I don't know if it would have gone beyond the first 10 if I hadn't sent that follow-up email. Number 5, approach companies you know. I've approached several different companies to sponsor their products, and I've found the most success with companies that I know. One example of this was just this past summer. A friend of mine and I were writing a book about ceramics because he's a college professor and he wanted a textbook for his course. So I approached a company where I purchased all my pottery supplies and asked if they would give me products to photograph for the book. I sincerely believe that it was because I was a customer of their store that I was able to get those free supplies for the project. And then I used those tools in YouTube videos and shared the links to the store. So going back to my water bottle here, this is a product plus type sponsorship. They sent me the product, and I also earn money from mentioning it during the month of November. I have a link that will save my viewers money if you purchase the product using the links in the video description, and then I get a small percentage for the sales. For my channel, I'm doing more outdoor things, especially during the summer months, so having a water bottle is a pretty good fit. And I've actually tried the product, and I believe in the quality of it, so I can sincerely share my endorsement with you. So that is how this works out to being a great product, even though my channel is not all about water bottles. I hope this video on YouTube sponsorships was helpful. The tips will help you to land a meaningful relationship with a company that's a good fit for your channel and your brand. Have a wonderful day.